Is Devil Image Library utility pathing failed due to the Ilu Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Before we get started with Ilu Library, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Ilu Library, the Image Library Utility, ILU. Part of the DeVille, Developer's Image Library Suite, it provides unmanaged routines for image filtering, scaling, and conversion. It facilitates the visual orchestration of texture manifests in 3D applications. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. For errors involving Ilu Library, the best approach is to re-establish your legacy gaming runtimes. Utilize the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to restore missing DirectX files and refresh your graphics drivers if the DLL is linked to hardware acceleration. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Ilu library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading Ilu Library DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing Ilu Library. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Ilu Library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.